Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off a private browsing on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and open up your particular browser app icon of yours, and you can see right now I'm here in the private browsing section. If I tap on this little icon where I will be able to check out the plenty of tabs, I can just remove it and it will show this private browsing section. I can start a page and then I can create multiple ones from over here, and I can tap on this little icon which will let me go check out the private and again have the private section to go right. So if I do that, then I will be able to check out the private browsing according to me. And if you want to turn it off, all you gotta do is tap on done, and from over here simply go ahead, go to two tabs section which is not private. So if you go back, let's go ahead and again open it up. You are in this section, it's not private. If you want to go to private section, tap on this little switch to private, and there you go. That's how you're supposed to switch between the private and the public tabs, and you can access it. You can turn it off if you want by not using it, and that is basically how you're going to turn it off. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.